What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on what happened. I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are a little bit late to the stream today. Had a lot of things I had to do today, and I'm so sorry that I was not here at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, but we are here at 11:11, now 11:12. So appreciate everyone being here. Appreciate everyone waiting, because as you guys can, the markets are absolutely going insane right now. This is the kind of stuff that you love to wake up to here and see that the market's just absolutely ripping right now. Ethereum altcoin season is here. We've said this, we've been saying it, we've been saying that altcoin season was going to go nuts. And Ethereum right now up 7.86% in the last 7 days, up around 4.5% up in the last 24 hours. And what does that mean? That means that a lot of other things are also following the same exact trend lines as ETH. And so altcoin season is here. Anyone that doubted that altcoin season wasn't coming, I don't know what to say. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. It is a crazy, crazy day, man. Charts are looking great. I honestly woke up to just an insane, massive growth with my Hedera. If you guys know, obviously Hedera is a big one here for us. And I just woke up and I was like, dude, this is going nuts, guys. And I couldn't go back to sleep. I couldn't go back to sleep. I was up super early because of it. And yeah, so definitely pretty excited about that. So what's up to everyone in the chat here? We got Douglas in the house here. What's up, Douglas? Darren, Josh, Iron Lux. What's up, Chris? We got Alan, Alexi, 857 Tucson. What's going on? What's going on? Trent, if I missed some of you guys, sorry about that. Chameleon, Andrew, Lauren, just let you guys know I did post the Discord up top there. Yeah, I'm excited for anyone that's jumping into the Discord here. Hopefully it works. This is the first time I've given it a shot, so make sure you enter in there. And if you can, go into some of the areas and start discussing, maybe throwing in a what's up type of thing, and see what's going on. So this, like I said, the first time that I opened up the Discord, so it's very new, very fresh. Critique it all you want. We'll continue to grow and make it the best Discord possible. So yeah, appreciate everyone who has joined the A team. If you join the A team, you're able to click on the Discord link, which I've actually added to the message in here, and go in there and kick it. So I got to learn how to use Discord. Yeah, Discord, it's gonna be a little different. Just joined. All right, let me know how it is. I'd love to, like I said, go in there, make some comments in the discussion here. I'm gonna say what's up to everyone. What's up, everyone? And we're gonna see if people can respond over in the we got it in the crypto discussions. You guys can see right here. I do have it open right now. So you guys can come in here and obviously chat away if you want to. What's up, A team? We'll see if people actually respond. We'll see if we can get rocking and rolling in the Discord here. And again, this is for fun. This is to have a good time. This will continue to grow over time with the A team here. And again, yeah, that's kind of what the whole goal is here, what the whole point of it is. So let's keep that rocking and rolling. Let me get that down over here real quick. Get that out of the way. All right. What's up? What's up, Cartman? Thanks so much for the $2 donation. Kovu and Timu, gonna retire my grandkids. Easy 5X. All right, dude. Appreciate that a ton, man. Thank you so much for the donation to the channel. What's up, Shannon? We got Shannon in the house here. Code Core. What's up, Code Core? Got Code Core. Make it true money. Big A. What's up, Big A? Steve XRP. Sweet Discord. Yeah, we're gonna like I said, it's very I guess you could say basic, but we're gonna make it grow, dude. Everyone wanted the Discord, so I put it together. Here we go. What's up, Evan? How you doing, man? So yes, as you guys can see right now, even Cardano, look at Cardano up to $1.09, man. Pretty crazy. XRP continues to climb almost 250 as I put this out today on my X account. If you go over to my X account here, if you're not following me, definitely hit me up on the X side here. That's where I post a lot of my stuff, updates and things like that. I did post that we have a massive buy wall right here at 250. We're on a climb right now to tap into that 250 mark. We're at 246. This morning we got up to 247 about 2 hours ago, or maybe about 3 hours ago. We got up to 247. Definitely going to hit a nice little buy wall here, or sell wall here at 250. I mean, it's probably going to hit. The volume is not that high at the 250 mark. We just have a lot of sell volume at the 250 right here. But look at there's not that much volume up top right here. So we're actually building a nice little floor here at 240. Look at the volume coming in at 240 right now. Looking really, really good. How do I see chats in the Discord? Good question. I don't know. I think you just go into discussion. I don't know if people can actually get into the discussion sections. There we go. We got in the stocks discussion, we got a lot of people waving around saying hi. You guys could say what's up there. I don't know if you guys can actually get up to the crypto discussions or see the crypto discussions and say what's up there. We got everyone saying hi here in the or I'm saying hi. Everyone's joined. It's weird how it's showing up in the stock discussions, but yeah, you can see everyone joining right here saying hi. You guys can, I don't know if you guys can comment or not, say what's up, but you can go over here into the crypto discussions. You got crypto, we got crypto 101, we got the charts, which are going to be, you know, posting charts in here on things that we've been seeing. We got news, we got the obviously the rules and things like that, and where things can be seen. But the other cool thing is right here. We're gonna have what the DGen Den is. So any new projects or anything like out there that we want to talk about as a community, we could come in here and talk about it. Anything like that. So that's kind of what that is. So yeah, like I said, continue to grow that bad boy. Good morning. What's up, man? I think there is a disconnect between YouTube accounts and Discord accounts. What do you mean a disconnect? What do you mean, like a disconnect of I think if you have if you are an A-Team subscriber, you have to sign in with you have to give Discord. I can't see any chats in the Discord. Fan, I think you need to help Austin. I can't see the chats in Discord. Says I don't have permission. Yeah, I think I probably have to give permission on those. I think I have to give. Can. So we'll get it fixed. I'll get it fixed here, but yeah, at least get joined in. At least get joined in, and we'll get everything rocking and rolling. Queen and Revenge, thanks so much for the donation. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team. You're officially now a member of the channel, and you'll be able to access Discord. Thank you so much, dude. Same here, no permissions. All right, we'll get the permissions opened up. I'm gonna talk with Twiz right here and get them opened up while we're on stream. You need a permission. Yeah, my permission. All right. Well, we got a lot of people being added here. I think there's probably just needs. We got a lot of people coming in right now, dude. I mean, holy crap! I just got a notification on there saying that there's been unusual amounts of activity. So that's pretty funny. My Discord is a beast mode. If it's not the same email as YouTube, am I soul? Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, whatever you connect to. Good morning, Big B. Yeah, whatever we want to connect to there. But XRP is looking really great right now. Obviously, Hbar has went all the way up today, went up to 30. This is where I woke up this morning, and this thing was ripping. I had to go put my stop loss in to see if I could get even more gains on that. XLM looking good too, still up, looking. I mean, obviously, we went way above where we thought we were going to actually play around with. We came all the way up here and we're building a new level. Same with Hbar. We had a nice little level down here, and now we're coming up here way outside the realms of any retracement. I should probably do. I mean, here we go. Now we got to really find where the retracement is going to be. So that's going to be crazy. We're almost up to, look at this, guys. Bitcoin dominance is down. Look at that. Bitcoin dominance is going down. What did I say? When Bitcoin dominance goes down, doesn't mean that the price of Bitcoin is going to go down. So look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin has been on this massive squeeze for quite some time. If we go back and look at the heat map of this, you could see that you'll be able to see that we've been on this short, like almost like a short squeeze coming up here for that. So yeah, kind of crazy. Austin, I have well over 5,000 XLM 2-3 years ago. I'm loving it, dude. I'm making true money. I know you're killing it right now, dude. It says I need permission to read the rules in Discord. All right, serious. We'll get it taken care of. We'll get it taken care of and get everyone in there. I see we only see the rules. All right, good. I want everyone to see the rules, and then we'll open it up. Do you think we can bust through this resistance on XRP today? We'll see, dude. We have a pretty big, like I said, there's a pretty big sell wall right now, which I posted out here at 250. I mean, it's a pretty big wall. This is just Coinbase volume. If we go back to Coinbase right now, we can see if maybe that's changed. I haven't looked at the depth on it yet, but we know that we do know that it was pretty big. Yeah, it's still pretty big, guys. I mean, 250 right here is getting even bigger. Went from, it's about 2 million, about a million in sell volume right here. And you can see people obviously hedged at 249.9 to make sure they actually got their stops on there. So this will be a tough one to get through today. I mean, we have to have large amounts of volume to break through that 250 mark, but you know, you're going to have a lot of shorts coming in there and things like that hitting right here. So that will be an interesting thing to follow. Hbar is looking the same way. We can go back and look at the depth chart on Hbar and see where the sell orders. See where the sell orders are coming in with that. Yeah, I mean, look at we have a mixed result on sell orders here. Let's zoom out here. So yeah, Hbar is looking like it could. I mean, look at that 33 maybe for Hbar is a nice big wall. We're talking, holy crap. We're talking, yeah, maybe here at 33 maybe is the buy wall we're right here, but that's a lot right here. Probably 33 is where we have a sell wall coming up here. So Hbar actually might have a bigger chance to run today than looks like I got disconnected. So hopefully that getting disconnected here. This guy makes sure missed the whole move, but everything. I don't know what we're talking about, Edward. Hey, Austin, what's going on? Buy on Caspa for the first buy. What's a good buy on Caspa for the first buy? I haven't followed Caspa. I mean, Caspa is obviously up 5%. This thing's been a lot of these things. All altcoins right now are going to be looking good, guys. Doesn't matter what project it is with Ethereum running like it is. I mean, look at Ethereum, guys. It's going up. I mean, we might get back up to our the cycle all-time highs of 4,000 if this thing keeps running like it's supposed to. You go back and look, altcoin season started right here, and now we've just started to see this increase, right? Same with over here, altcoin season started, we had this massive increase. So very, very similar stuff. Algorand, one of my first cryptos I got into besides XLM. Oh yeah, Algo. Austin, if you have 11,000 XRP, what would you do? I would probably just continue to hold, Chase. I would just continue to hold. Did you ever get into Uphold? I did not. I did not get to Uphold. How do you determine what Bitcoin dominance is down? Well, just the chart will tell you right here. So you can see this yellow line or this pink line right here. See the pink line that I have on the screen right here? It's just an overlay of the dominance of Bitcoin. So you can see Bitcoin's going down in dominance. But like I said, just because Bitcoin dominance goes down doesn't mean the price won't. If you go back and look at the history of Bitcoin, it's going to continue to rise up. It's going to continue to Bitcoin hit its all-time highs, even though it was at some of its lows for dominance, right? Bitcoin was down to the 50, 54, 53% dominance in the markets, and Bitcoin still rallied to its all-time highs back last bull run. So we'll still continue to see that. Even though the Bitcoin dominance is going down, that's usually when we start to see altcoin season go up. Like, look at the difference here between altcoin season and Bitcoin. Look at that. Bitcoin dominance down. We got altcoin seasons going up. So that's how you determine altcoin season. And you got to think altcoin season started back here. In all reality, altcoin season started back here. We hit an all-time high, or not an all-time high. In this split right here, we basically hit a 60% in dominance for Bitcoin, and it's continually gone down. So, and we've been sort of trading sideways, but I mean, we're still on an upward. If you actually pull the line on that, I mean, let's just do a trend line. If you actually look at this, I mean, you're still on a trend. You're still on an upward trend. Even if you wanted to move away from that, look at that. We're still on an upward trend. I mean, it's still looking good, right? From where it hit. I mean, we're still looking good, and that's just pulled right there. So, I mean, even with this downward thing, we're still now building back out. So, I don't know. I think it looks good. This is we've been saying this since November 5th. I think we've been in altcoin season. So, we've been on a crazy tear, dude. Now it's just building to the next level. Maybe it looks better than yours, but your mustache is on point. Thanks, dude. Thanks. Ondo, yeah, Ondo's good, man. Like I said, I've sort of been waiting for it. I figured out how to connect your Discord account to your YouTube one. Okay, yeah. Once you do that, you're good to go, man. I'm all for crypto on the fart. You're going for the fart coin, okay? I moved all my ETH to Hbar. Good move or stupid move? I don't know if that's a stupid. That's not. I think either way, you're. Issues. I don't know why. Am I cutting in and out? It seems like I'm cutting in and out. Austin, my new job is talking about us being able to be paid in crypto. Yeah. Did you guys see that Dogecoin actually came up and is now paying at the the charging stations, which is badass. Yes, I'm cutting in and out. Okay, let me change this real quick. We're having there's a little bit of a rainstorm coming through here, so we had some light flickering earlier on. So if I cut out, I'm sorry. Let's see, Google. Let me get my Let me get my Google Home going here real quick and make sure we're good. Oh man. What a day, what a day, what a day. It's been a busy, busy morning already for me. Let's see here. There we go. Let's see if that helps. Let's see if that helps out big time. So let's see here. I noticed that Turbo, you're cutting in and out. Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm having some connectivity issues with the surrounding area here. Tell us we're good boys and gals. You're having for having XRP. Heck yeah, life savings. Thanks so much for the $2 donation. Yeah, we're having it's a good one, man. It's a good day. It's a good day. We have a lot of things here. People talking about XRP hitting $20 in 28 days. I don't think that that's possible. Doesn't mean it can't happen down the road, but not possible. But they were talking about, can it hit about 17 days with Trump coming into office? If it rallied to $20, it would be up about 711%, which is crazy. I mean, I would be nuts if it actually did that, but I don't know. The cool thing here is that if you guys can see that, you guys know how Polymark is. I kind of like it because it tells you, it sort of gives you speculation in the market because people are actually out there betting on when these things are going to happen. And they said a Ripple ETF approved in 2025, and there's people are betting on Polymarket the 70% chance say yes that an ETF will be approved, and I'm on board with that. I think it's going to be approved as well. Thoughts on Velo and SHX and Stronghold token? A-Team, appreciate that, Jack. Thanks so much for the $5. I don't know Velo, and a lot of people here like Stronghold. I know that. I'd use VPN for Polymark. Okay. Austin counted to infinity twice. Yeah, I see everyone coming in here, man. We're definitely loading up right here on the A-Team. I think Killer Whale just came in here. I just saw that. Hopped into the server. Yay, you made it. It's funny how the little bots are here. I got to figure out how to get this rocking and rolling. So, yeah, this is gonna be cool, man. This is gonna be cool. So, let's see here. I think we've added roughly, man, we've added a lot already here in the Discord. I think we have roughly, what is it? Members. Let's see. Yeah, we're at I think over 100 members have joined already just in this short period of time. That's pretty crazy. Over 100 people. Austin question, skin or blouse? Skin or blouse? I don't know, man. If I had to choose one, my life was on the line, I'd choose probably skin. Let's see. Windrunner, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team. You're officially now a member of it, and definitely go join the Discord. Appreciate that. Currently up very well on XRP ADA. Nice. Yeah, ADA's doing really well. Sutrade's still holding through this year. Siding, yes. Sui's doing pretty well. It's fallen down a little bit in terms of ranking. As you guys know, Sui almost reached top 10 ranking. It's kind of slowed down a little bit. Fell back down to 14. I think it was almost up to 12 or somewhere in this ballpark. Yeah, I think it almost was up here. I think it was beating Chainlink at this point, at one point. Falling back down just slightly. But look at Stellar, dude. 38% up for the last 7 days. HBAR's up almost 13.5% over the last 7 days. Like, these are some killer returns right now. I'm blown away. I mean, it's really good. Dogecoin killing it right now. Dogecoin, as you guys know, the announcement came out from Tesla that they're going to accept this as a form of payment for any of the charging stations. So now Dogecoin's actually being used as currency, which you can see this nice little rally that it's had in the last hour. Look at that. It made the announcement, and this thing's back up to 38 cents. So now you'll start to see more use case with that of Dogecoin. Vibes at 25 going great. Heck yeah, dude. Vibes are good, man. Even though with all the tragedy going on around the world, around the United States with everything, it's still looking pretty good. Yeah, Jeremy, I'm gonna work on getting everyone permission after the stream here. Just get logged in there, and then I'll take care of everything else. We could talk about everything in the stream after that. So hopefully it all works. So hopefully here in a minute or two it works. Let's see here. Yo, I'm late, bro. How do I join the Discord? Just got to hook up your YouTube account to Discord, and you're ready to rock and roll. Everyone says I'm going to be a millionaire out loud with the hey, you never know. J-Lo. Join the Discord. Heck yeah. Life saving. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Have you heard of the Pudgy Penguin coin, aka yeah, I've heard of it, dude. It rallied, man. People are making some good money off of it, that's for sure. Actually doing a really good job. It's crazy. Again, it's not something I buy into. It's a bunch of airdrop stuff. And so, you got to think about that. Let's see here. So you got to think about that. That's something to think about, is that it was airdropped and people made a lot of money off that kind of stuff. So, yeah, kudos to anyone that made the money. Let's see here. I think permission or roles need to be assigned in Discord. Yeah, they probably do. I haven't messed around with it, so I was just trying to get it out there for everyone. And once everyone gets in there, I'll probably fix it all here. Hi, do you think Bitcoin will drop or retrace? It usually always does. Just a matter of how far it gets back there. What's up, everyone over here on TikTok? I did finally win my appeal on TikTok again. So I'm not going to stream the charts because obviously people flag it. So you'll just get to see my pretty face today. What's up, man? How do you think stiff hard pump? Can I buy a membership on Discord? It won't let me on YouTube, I don't think. You can go into my description box and click on the little message right there, or there's a little hyperlink. You can click on that one, Cookie Monster. I don't know how it works from Discord, if you have to I don't know how it works if Discord makes you go back to my YouTube channel or not. I should maybe put it in the rules. I should maybe put it in a section where new people come in, they have to click the link to buy it. I'll figure it out. What's up, Dragon Rider? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see Vince. Good to see you, man. At what price do you see XRP going back to? Well, we could pull up a retracement on it. We could pull a little retracement on it here. I mean, obviously we're still trading in that area. We're still trading in the area. Even if you wanted to pull back, even if you want to do a little bit of we'll just do where this last little cycle went back. That's not too long ago, but we could say, okay, we want this to, where's our retracement going to be here? Previous low, go to previous high. What's the retracement going to be? You're looking at roughly about, oh man, I was going to block that guy. You're looking at maybe falling back down here. I mean, it's still telling you the gold zone here is back down into the 217, 218 mark based off where we're at right now. But we have to sort of see how this falls out. Even if you pull this back to the original height of where it's at, it's technically still in a buy zone with the retracement still falling back around to the 220 mark. If you want to come back to our original levels of where we were trading this, it hasn't really broke out of this area. So, I mean, yeah, we could probably come back up here. Even if we go back up to the 250 mark, I mean, we still have a chance to come back down here into the 220s. We haven't really built a lot of, I mean, we can see that we had a lot of volume up here at the 244, but we haven't our major supports here at 230, which is again where the most of this was touching. So we're still trying to build support up at this level here, because as you guys know, we went on this massive, crazy tear. Let me take this dominance down real quick. It's kind of annoying me. So we haven't really, I mean, we had this massive rally, right? And then, what will happen if we pass 2.48? We'll probably get a rejection at 250. I think 250, we're going to get a strong rejection. Doge accept at Tesla stations is huge. Yeah, I think so too. Charles Rogers, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member and can definitely go over there and join the Discord. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how to mess around in here. As resolved. Increase. There we go. We had 122 new members since 1050. So looking pretty good. What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone over here on TikTok? Yeah, you're not going to get the screens because people will keep flagging it, so I'm not going to even deal with it. Thanks so much for the donations. How I think Bitcoin. Just a second, let me move this up a little bit. There we go. So yeah, that's where we're going with XRP. Retracement's still back down into these, probably into the 225 if it comes back down. Well, that's probably where we're going to get back down into this volume area. So again, that's just, we haven't really quite built a massive level up here. It's only been up here for, when we go to the day chart here, we're still only been up here for what, maybe 14 days, or no, maybe more than that. We've been up here for maybe still like 31 days up here, 31 days roughly, give or take. I mean, not even that much, not even 30 days up here. So you gotta be able to build this next level to be able to break out of this next level. And yeah, I mean, a lot of people were still expecting to come down to this 150 mark. So, but I don't think we're going to come back down that far. That could be a really big sell off in the market for that to happen. Angel Wright, what's going on, dude? Messy Leo, what Discord patience? Young grasshoppers with the yeah. Thank you for the patience on Discord. Hello, A team. What's up? What's up, Albert? I will have to wait till the Discord thing is settled. Don't want to mess it up. No, you're good, Kong. We'll work through it, man. Don't even sweat it, dude. Get in there and we'll work through it, dude. Where do you think Hbar is going? My portfolio is an XRP, but have a good, yeah, that's good, dude. I think it's going good. Having Hbar and XRP is good. I'm late, but I'm here. Yeah, I'll have to. I'll probably be assigning some mods over here. So people that are maybe know how to do Discord better than me, let me know, and you could probably help make you a mod. AuzSOME doesn't do push-ups; he pushes the world down. That's a nice little chart. The Chuck Norris jokes. Yes, and everyone over here on TikTok too. If you are a subscriber to the channel, you can definitely get into the Discord now. You have to connect your TikTok account to get over there if you're on the Discord on the that side. Oh, Twiz is in there. Cool, dude. I didn't know he's in there. Oh, I thought she was saying Twiz is in there. Oh yeah, we'll figure it out. Paradise, you're gonna what's up, guy? What's up, Digital? Won't let me pass the permission rules page. Yeah, we'll get it past there. We'll get it past there, guys. Do you know any opinions on? I do not know anything about that. Hbar 58 circle. I mean, Hbar sitting here at the. I think we pulled some. Well, let's see here. I mean, look at Hbar, dude. That's such a good looking chart right there. That's an Hbar chart looking nice. Hit that like button. Yeah, hit that like button, dude. Trump and Sailor getting cozy. Yeah, that was pretty cool, huh, John Appleseed? That was pretty cool. Yeah, dude, we could look at the chart. We could look at BTC, dude. BTC is looking phenomenal right now. Look at this. Look at this. This is looking really, really good. Even with the Bitcoin dominance down right now, I showed this earlier. Bitcoin dominance is coming down strong, but we're on a nice rally upward, and we'll continue to rally. Even with dominance coming down to into the 52% mark, even into the 50% mark, I think we have a good chance for this to still continue to go up and rise. There was a thing came out today right here. It says Polymark new all-time highs for Bitcoin. And again, I like Polymarket because it just sort of gives you the vibe of the market on where people are thinking things are going to go. And it says Bitcoin all-time highs by June 30th. People believe almost a 79% chance, almost an 80% chance that Bitcoin will hit all-time highs by June 30th. Which again, all-time highs right now are roughly around what 108, 109, 108, 9, I think, somewhere up in that ballpark. So yeah, we're on the cusp of that happening. And then people are thinking that that we'll hit 200. Only 6% believe that we're going to hit 200,000 by March of 31st. So that's Q1 hitting 200,000. 6%. 15% believe that we're going to hit it around 1. This internet connection is trash today. I wonder if let's see here. Let me go to Google Home again. Let's see here. Let's run a test network. Let's test the speed right now. Yeah, my internet's coming in and out. I don't know what's going on here. I'll probably log back out and come back in. So you might have to give me a second. Everything says it's working good. It must be I think it might be a StreamYard thing, dude, because everything's working good on my side, dude. And your internet speed is blazing fast, is what it says. So I don't know. I think it might be a StreamYard thing. Nothing's happened over here on TikTok, so I think it might be a StreamYard deal. Also, you think running YouTube, Discord, and TikTok is causing the issue? No. You can see right here. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see that. I mean, it says it's blazing fast right now, so I'm not even sweating that. I think it might be StreamYard's having issues. StreamYard's probably having issues, or I don't think it's YouTube. It's probably StreamYard. Austin on dial-up again. I don't know, man. It says it's doing good. Everything over here on TikTok's still working out. What's up, man? What's going on, Alan? Good to see you, dude. TikTok is good. Yeah, TikTok's good. Must have Walmart internet. Damn, you guys are coming in hot today. Coming in hot today. So basically, they're saying 80% believe that we're going to actually go back down to $90. So 80% of people believe by March 31st we'll be back down at $90. That's actually kind of crazy if you think about it. Austin is Gary Gensler's dude. No way. Just got that Tangem wallet. Heck yeah, dude. Get that Tangem. Or know what AOL dial-up was like. Here, let me. I'm gonna log out of Discord and then or log out of just give me 1 second, all right? There we go. Let's see if this let's see if me logging back out and restarting it has helped. We'll see if that worked. Just give me a second here. I heard there was a memo that went out that confirmed crypto suppression. It very well could happen, dude. There's a lot of suppression out there. There's a lot of manipulation in the markets, dude. It's quite insane how much manipulation there is. But you can see we're forming a nice little wedge right here. We broke out of the wedge, and it's time to rally right there. We can see right here that in Q1 of previous bull run, going out into the previous bull run, we're up 353%. Let me get my fat head out of the way here. 353% in the last bull run, 167% in just this little bull run right here. So we're trying to expect that this could go up another 100%. How do you leverage trade? What's the platform you use? If I leverage trade, it's going to be on Coinbase. Coinbase is the platform that I'll leverage trade on. So, thanks so much for the donation. Thanks so much for the hat. That's so funny, man. I've got all my friends following now. Oh, dude, David, thanks so much, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, lots of XRP hate. Yeah, that's kind of how the market is. A lot of hate, but you can see here, even Bitcoin in Q4 2020 versus Q4 2024, very similar, right? 2021 was the bull run. Now we're here and we're saying 2025 is the bull run. So we're already on an uptick here, which is good. Even Ethereum right now in 2021 for altcoin season was right here. Q1 of 2025, we're right here. So we're right on the verge of altcoin season going nuts. So yeah, very, very cool to see. Austin, I haven't seen an ad on the live in a while. Why is that? I'm one ad before the show. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I'm streaming free today. Yeah, they're on. I just don't know why. Maybe got lucky, dude. Sui on a freaking fire. Yeah, Sui's been killing it, dude. Sui's been killing it for really good. Very sadly, I had to sell my XRP December 31st to pay bills. It's okay, stand, man. We'll get it back, man. We'll figure out a way to get all back. Austin, could you also provide retracement numbers for Hbar and XLM? Yeah, we can do that real quick. So, I mean, let's go to Hbar here. Hbar is a little bit different of a graph here. But again, if we want to do some retracement, we can do. It's probably very similar, but I mean, even if we pull down here and pull up here, we've been out of that level for a while. Well, actually, let's go here. Let's go about right here. I mean, Hbar has been a lot different of a level to trade on here. Let's actually go to the 4 hour, like I said. So I mean, our retracement levels right now for this are we've been in a buy zone. We only got to the golden pocket one time, and that was back on December 20th. We hit the golden pocket. We did come back here on that massive liquidation day of March or December 9th. Came back down, and then we've been up, and now we're obviously starting to see. You can see that we're oversold just a little bit here. So I mean, retracements would be back down to probably roughly around 27 if I had to look, probably in this ballpark. 27 for I have a buy order in for 26.5. But as this continues to grow, you gotta move that up just slightly, right? Because again, that means a bigger dip's going to happen, and usually they don't have more than you can see right here. If we pull the numbers, Last time it dipped down, it was about a 21% dip. You know, so you have to move that up slightly to catch that dip. We can do XLM. This is still looking good. This one's actually looking really good still, and the reason why is because the chart's a little bit different, right? You come down here to the lowest point, and you come back up here. This is actually well outside the buy zone. Right now, if you were to look at the retracement on this, the retracement is still going to come back down to the 37 based off this. But I mean, I think that might be too early. So if we even pull this back to here, if you pull it back to here, we're actually in a nice little buy zone here. So this is still a buy. And again, you set this, leave this, it'd come up and be buy zone, and you'd come back in here. So anywhere in this green area is a buy zone, right? And then this is the golden pocket, and then it gets more riskier as it gets into the blue, and then the sell gets a little bit higher as it gets up here. But I mean, technically, all these are still in a buy zone. If you look at it, Hbar might be the only one that's not technically buy. If you're looking at the fib retracement, is in a buy zone. Even XRP, right? We go back and look at XRP. I mean, XRP is still technically in a buy zone. I mean, I haven't made this perfect, but I mean, yeah, we're still in this green area, right? So then you're waiting for it to come back up and retrace back into these levels. And where does it fall? It's up to you to decide in this green area. So, yeah, we've got a lot of things going on right there in that chart. Jeez. Oz, you hanging? Yeah, what's up, John? Hey, Graham. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, and you can join the Discord now. So, yeah, thank you very, very much. You officially the first. I cut out again. What's up, man? What's up, JR? What about Ada? Ada's looking good. I logged out and came back and got an ad. Then Austin froze. Damn, dude. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I'm working through it, man. I'm working through my struggles today. Let's see here. He can't show it on TikTok. Yeah, I kept getting honey badger. I would agree. I kept getting banned. Not banned. I kept getting red flagged, and they shut down the channel, shut down the whole thing, and I had to appeal it. It was like 3 days in a row, and so I just said, you know what? I'm just gonna go back, and you'll just hear my voice, unfortunately, on TikTok. It's a slow mover. So you got to just be prepared for that. But yeah, this is exciting to see right here that we're right on the verge of this happening. This is really, really good stuff right here. It's nice to see. So we'll continue to ride this out. I'm in the Discord. Join with my YouTube account. We have channels and stuff yet. Yeah, we do. I have to get permission. Stan the man. A team official now. Heck yeah, dude. So you have to be a member to join the Discord. Yeah, and it looks like you're a member, so you can join the Discord. So yeah, you have to be a paid member. I think right now we have roughly see, I got direct messages from some people here. Yeah, we got some good direct messages from people. It's funny, Discord's like hitting me up like, dude, why do you guys have so much traffic? That's actually pretty funny. That's actually pretty funny, dude. So yeah, I got to get better at Discord. I'll be honest with you, I got to get better at Discord. If we're gonna run a Discord, I gotta get better at Discord. Thoughts on Polkadot? Yeah, Polkadot's been doing good, man. It's not something I follow a ton, but yeah, Polkadot's been doing well. It's hanging out in between. Well, Hedera just jumped it. Hedera actually just took it back the 17th spot on it, up by just a slight amount, not a ton, but yeah, just took over the 17th spot. So I just sent all my XRP off to Ripple. They are gonna double it. Hey, did you see Hbar is going to integrate with Chainlink? I did see there was a partnership with Chainlink and Hbar. That came out. When did that come out? That came out like last week, right? I can't remember exactly when that whole discussion was. It was like 2 weeks. It was like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. Chainlink adopts the Chainlink data standard. Yeah. So, are we in a retracement phase, bull run or not? Usually, you have retracements inside of a run, right? So anytime a price goes up, it means that you're going to try to, there's going to be a retracement. It means that the price is going to hit a wall. Like we said right here. I mean, Hedera is going to hit a sell wall right here. And there's going to hit a wall and it's going to happen. So, you know, you got to be aware of that. And that's where the retracements start to happen. So you got to, you know, watch these depth charts here, especially with like XRP. We know the XRP at 250 is going to hit a pretty crazy wall as well. So like right here at 250, look at that 250 mark is a big wall, almost what, almost 2.5 million just on Coinbase at this level of sells. I mean, that's a big sell. That's a lot of sell pressure right there. If this hits, we're going to have a retracement. How far does that retracement go? I don't know, but some people like to try to catch those retracements. Yeah, we have stuff on the Discord. I just got to get permission, Goober. I'm going to let everyone get in there. Everyone can see the rule page, and then we'll open it up. Austin should stream 24/7. I don't know. I don't know about that. Trav Shell, thanks so much for the gifted memberships, man. 10 new members to the channel. Thank you so much, Trav. If Trav gifted you a membership, please say thank you to him, and welcome to the A team. You can officially now join the Discord. I attached it, Digi, in the link above, or I think it's pinned. I think it's pinned above. So yeah, I attached it in there, dude. Can you check Tima? It's consolidating and can fly high anytime. Robert, thank you so much for the donation. I probably won't check it, but I mean, I appreciate you guys being here every day, showing me love with the donations and talking about your project. Again, thank you very much for it. And I'm glad it's doing really, really well. Ruthless just subscribed for the first time. Rushless, thanks so much for subscribing to the channel. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you very, very much. You're officially now part of the A team. Thank you. Yeah, sorry for the spam. You're good, dude. What are your thoughts on Hbar? Hbar is a good hold, dude. Hbar is a really good hold. Is the Discord chat working? It's working. I haven't got Alan. It's you can log in and get ready to go, and I'm gonna release the after everyone gets logged in. I'm gonna then give up allow people to come in, give access to everyone. So let's see here. Now show us your feet. Oh my gosh. Do you have a video on how to read depth charts, or can you do a quick explanation? Yeah, we could do it. And this is like, it's basically just all you're seeing is where the buys and the sells are. So you can see like where people are setting their limits and where the buys and sells will be. So you can go set your limits. So that's why you look at the depth chart. So you know where you can set your stop losses, where you can set your buy orders and all that stuff. So you can see where everyone else is tracking. That's kind of all the depth really is. That's what it gives me. It gives you all your order books over here, the trade history, which I mean, it is what it is, but really you're trying to look at the depth on where the levels are on. This is just Coinbase. This isn't across the whole world. This is just Coinbase. So yeah, 18. What's up? Yeah, Rushless. Thanks so much, man. The TikTok doppelgangers. I know. Sorry guys if you're getting spammed out there. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah, definitely get into the Discord, guys. Like I said, you'll only be able to see the rule section, and the rule section's pretty basic. It just basically says be respectful to all other A-teamers. And then we'll after I get off the live here, I'll open it up and we'll be able to jump in there and talk. Austin Tima got listed on crypto.com, so I'm gonna check it out. Might be something to look at. Oh wow, that is awesome. They got listed on crypto.com. I did not know that. That is awesome news for that team, dude. Congrats to you guys. I'm glad you guys have been here talking about it. Congrats. That is badass. Your opinion on the SEC case with Ripple? Do you think it will go ahead? No, I think we're gonna see it completely take a dump here, right after Trump gets in. Killer Whale, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If you got gifted by Killer Whale, please say thank you to him. And appreciate that a ton, man. You guys are now officially part of the A team and can join the Discord. That is awesome. You guys, the A team strong, man. You guys are awesome for doing this, because I don't see any other channel out there. Not that I watch a ton of channels, but giving out so many memberships like we have been. Where's the Discord? You got to become a member, Edward, and then you can go into the Discord. All you got to do is just go to the A team Discord. It's in my YouTube links above here. I'll put the Discord link above here when I get off, and go from there. So that's how you find the depth charts over here. Just let everyone know. And we have a big sell wall right here at the 250 mark. So you got to be aware of that. Fake walls, they could disappear. You're right, Steven. That's a good point. I didn't say that. But yeah, these walls could fade away. This could give this is the manipulation that you see out there. People create these big these big sell walls and big buy walls to manipulate things as well. So that's very true. Thank you. We'll see the dip of January 20th. I mean, we'll probably, I think we're going to see a rally into 20, right? I mean, if anything, it's a buy the news, it's buy the rumor, sell the news with that. Speaker Johnson was reelected. I saw that this morning. They were doing a reelection. There was a bunch of people on there like, I'm not going to vote for him. I'm voting for him. So yeah, I was waiting to sort of see how that all worked out today. Did it actually show up here? Yeah, right there. Republican Mike Johnson elected House Speaker after dramatic vote reversal. So it looks like I think he got denied at first, and then they reversed the vote. So yeah, kind of crazy how this whole thing happened. But I mean, yeah, some people like him, some people don't. I was kind of iffy on him. I'm gonna be honest. Like I thought that there was just some things that I thought. Geez, it's really cutting out bad. Johnson appeared to have fallen short of the 218 votes needed to win majority, which is crazy. It just shows you how fractured the Republican Party is. It's still they do not run together. It's kind of crazy. Um, so, but we're getting closer. We're inching closer to this 250. We know that there's a big sell wall up here at 250. So we're gonna hit massive resistance right there. Should buy more Doge. Heck yeah. Yeah, definitely. If you guys are part of the A team, you can get into the Discord. Like I said, you'll just get into the rule section, then we'll open up the permissions. So yeah, definitely go at least get your account logged in and get ready to rock and roll. So you have to basically attach your YouTube account to Discord and you'll be able to jump in. Think it will dip before January 20th. It very well could, Colton. Yeah. I mean, I mean, it could probably hit some little sputters, but I'm hoping it won't. I guess I'm being a little bit more bullish than that. So again, thank you so much for the $2. Yeah, thank you very much. So yeah, we're roughly at 170 new members already added just in this stream alone. Nice to see you, Austin. Ali, Ollie, thank you so much for Ali. Thank you so much for. It's been a while since I actually saw someone on Twitter comment, so appreciate that. Thank you very much. Good to see you too. How do I be a gifted person? Get lucky. Let's see here. Chameleon coming in hot, gifting 10 new memberships to the A team. Chameleon, thank you so much for gifting 10 members to the A team here. You guys are awesome. If Chameleon gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Chameleon, gifting 10 more members to the channel here. That is awesome. Thank you very much. And say thank you to Chameleon and welcome to the A team. You can now join the Discord. What's your price target for Doge? I mean, I think Doge could hit all-time high. We're gonna find out if price is built in already on inauguration. True, we will find out, but I think it's not. I think you're gonna have more people jump in. There's probably a lot of people waiting on silence. You're gonna have a lot more institutions jumping in, I think. So thanks so much for all the donations over here. You guys are killing it. Gosh dang. I can't see it. I wish I was still on my YouTube over here or on the computer because you can see that kind of stuff. You think we'll dip into this weekend? Usually Fridays are pretty good to us. Last Friday was not the best Friday. If you guys go back to last Friday, we had this dip right here into the weekend, and then we built out of here. So I'm hoping that we continue to build out through the weekend here. That would be nice. So, I think last Friday was the first Friday since Trump's election that we actually had a down day or down weekend. So I'm hoping that we build out of it. That's what I'm hoping for. Think you use your head. Can you look at Neo chart? Can it reach an all-time? I don't even know what that is, dude. I appreciate the 250. I don't know what Neo is, man. So when does the Discord party start? It's already started. He's got to get logged in. Yeah, definitely smash that like button. We got roughly 1,170 people in here. 1,107 people in here watching right now. Hit that like button. We got roughly 236 people over on X and right around 150 people here on TikTok. So appreciate you guys all being here. I was a little late to my stream today, but I do appreciate you guys hanging on tight and still being here. Hey, bro, quick question. Will you be taking profits on XRP? Yeah, I'll probably take profits on XRP when I think it hits all-time highs. I think a lot of people are. That's the whole point, right? Do you think it's possible for 225? 225 going back down. Yeah, I think there could be a retracement back down to 225. Yeah. You got these strong levels at 230, 225 is not out of the question. I mean, what goes up must come down to some degree. Yeah, I would like to build a new level up here at 290, 280. My super chat got skipped. Oh, did it? Dang it. Did I miss your super chat? I'm sorry. Let's see if I can find it. There it is. Sorry about that. Thank you so much, Meldis, for the $2. If I join the 2.5 sell wall, when buy back in? It's a good question. I don't know how far the retracement is going to be on that sell wall. You could probably it could drop back down. I mean, sell wall could be pushing back down to 245, and we could build back up after that sell wall gets hit. You never know. That could cause the sell off to come back down and hit this 240, maybe even come back down here and hit the 231. I mean, it's so hard to tell right now. It's hard to tell on these candles where it's going to go. When we're moving like this, it's hard to really say. You just got to find levels that make sense to you. So, I mean, we can even pull one. I mean, like right now, you could say like in this last 2 days, no, this last 5 days, you could say that we're technically oversold in this last 2 days. You could see the charts coming down right here. So we're saying that we're a little we were oversold, we're coming down. Or sorry, we're over purchased, my bad. Over purchased, and we're coming down here on the 4 hour. The 12 hour is actually starting to peak out right here on the 12 hour. The day chart's starting to build up here to the top right. So this might actually come around and turn around. So we actually have some indicators showing that we could pause out right here. We hit this 250 and we could stall out right here at 250. And there could be a retracement back into the 225 range, right into here again, before we take this next level up. So that very well could happen. Last time we had a run up here, we retraced right back to the 25 level as well. So that could very well happen again. 225 could definitely be in play. Sorry, I missed your super chat there. How do I connect my Discord to YouTube? Just go into Discord and you'll click on your little thing up there and it'll say, connect, and you can connect. It's pretty easy. Growing forgot Discord is logged in with another account. Oh, start loading up on Hedera meme tokens. You gonna get those meme tokens going? How do you think no capital on the US based crypto will affect the market? I think no capital gains is huge. I mean, as you guys know, there was an announcement made. So you still got to pay your taxes. Just want to tell everyone that, dude. I think it's important that we know that. Let's see here. Let me get back to my X account here. As you guys know, Watch Guru came out and put out a good tweet yesterday, talking about how the IRS delayed tax reporting. So this is not saying don't go report your taxes. I mean, you still go report your taxes. I just want everyone to know that. So these requirements are still there. You're still gonna, if you have profits and losses, report those. I think that's super important to do that. Oh, whatever, digital, it's whatever, dude. Darius Coleman, thanks so much for the $5. You invested 5,775 right before the dip, almost to 5,002 this coming Tuesday. I'll put another 527. My XLM's up 6% from the initial. That's good, man. Those are good. Those are good. Greetings from Holland, dude. What's up, the one and only? And Darius, thanks so much for the $5 donation, man. Appreciate that. I know, dude. Why you want to Vivek? I can't wait until the Discord is up and running. It's going to be epic. Yeah, it's going to be up and running here shortly, Angel. We'll have a good time over there. Can you leverage trade XRP on Coinbase? No, you can't. Unfortunately, you can't. So again, this is good for tax. I mean, obviously it got delayed, but realize you still got to pay your taxes. I just want to make sure everyone's aware of that. Tennessee Eco Man, what's up, bud? Vivek, too, though not lately with the H1B1 stuff. Elon too, yeah. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I mean, I'm not really sweating it. It's not going to affect my investments. Do you have to claim taxes if you haven't withdrawn anything? No. If you haven't withdrawn, when you say withdraw, what do you mean withdraw? If you sold and you're like sitting there, like say you sold like Hbar to ETH, then yeah, you got to do it. You don't have to pay taxes. Yeah. Yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait for the Discord stuff. Ondo, think we'll hit $2 before the 18th. It'll be interesting to see if that happens. Whereas I forgot where Ondo's at. Let's just type it in. Ondo. Everyone here likes Ondo. Yeah, it's looking pretty good right now. It's looking pretty good. When did their tokens unlock? It unlocks here in the 19th, right? Or the 12th. So you guys got some time before the unlocking happens. So yeah, Ondo's in a nice little rally right now too. Yeah, Ondo's looking pretty good. Let's see here. Sir Austin, what price you predict for HR dip? The last time you predicted HBAR for retracement really happened. Yeah, I know. It worked out pretty good, didn't it? Yeah, like I said, I think if I look at the numbers here, I mean, our next retracement, I mean, we should probably be back into this 20. We're probably into this 27, 28 marker right here, and you'll have to monitor that if it retraces back in. And again, I don't know how far this is going to go. We can continue to rip on this. You know what I mean? I think HBAR has a lot more chance to rally because look at the. Let me get this comment out of the way. I mean, the day chart's looking really good for HBAR right now. So HBAR is actually looking a lot. It's looking really good from a run, like having a good run. Day chart's looking really nice. We're approaching the 50. Last time we went up here, we did really well. We hit all the way up here into the 33s. And when we broke past the 80, we went all the way up here into the 38s. So that's looking really good. The 12-hour charts looking really good. We're a little over purchased on the 8-hour chart or the 12-hour chart here. But I mean, we could, even if that comes back down a little bit, we could bounce back out of that pretty good. But day chart's looking good. The 4 hours looking a little oversold. So we'll probably bounce around up here for a little bit. But I think, yeah, there's probably gonna be a retracement back down to, maybe 28, 28.5. I got a buy order here at 26.5 just in case. I got an aggressive one down here if it bounces back down. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with it right now. I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't think XTC is gonna flip Bitcoin. I love Kitty. Thanks for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, and you can join the Discord. Thank you very much. Glad welcome. Viet, thank you so much for becoming a member. Bring back Mac. Yeah, it's not gonna happen, Trent. The mandate thing, the mask stuff is that I'm not down with that. I'm not doing that again. It messes up my beard too much. Just kidding. Just kidding. I have a sell order on XRP and off chances that it hits 1950 while I'm sleeping. I am mad at that, Wild Dog. I am not mad. Dude, I have no idea what's going on with StreamYard. This is StreamYard, dude. Everything's looking good over here. My StreamYard's messed up today. Thoughts on pulling some profits? Yeah, profits are not a bad thing to take, man. Like I said, if you are in a swing trade or something like that, profits are a good thing, man. Find it, take it, and don't look back. We're starting to have a little bit of a, like I said, we'll see a little bit of, this could sell off a little bit. When I say sell off, I'm talking like it could retrace just a little bit. Probably go back down to this 240 level, maybe even on this. The 4-hour chart's looking a little oversold, little sell pressure coming up here. The 12-hour, there's going to be some sell pressure coming in. And the day chart might have some sell pressure coming in. So expect XRP to probably balance out a little bit up here, unless there's a major, some bullish stuff happening here. 270 likes. Come on, guys. I appreciate you, Ken. Thank you so much, man. Trying to set up Discord. What am I missing? I see you, but no chat. Yeah, we have Sauce. We haven't opened up the server yet. So just get everyone logged in. And then once everyone's logged in and ready to rock and roll, we'll open it up so everyone can chit chat. Mark has resolved. Yeah, so we're roughly at almost 200 members already in the Discord, so that's pretty good. Do you think there's a chance that the market is going to have another 20 to 25% correction before the real takeoff? Well, if we look at the history of this, I mean, you can see that history shows that we have a pretty good rally, and then we have a dip in the market. So there's usually some dips that happen like right around here. So we'll have like a rally through, and then we'll usually dip. And there's like a good 20% dip. We do it all the time. We had it over here, and then we have a nice little dip too. So we had a big dip right here. You can see that dip right here. We had a big dip right here at the end of these rallies right here. We'll see a dip, or this is a dip right here before we rally to the all-time high. So yeah, there could be a dip before reaches all-time highs again, and the dip could be like a 20 to 30% dip again. So we have a rally, we retrace about 20 to 30%, give or take, depending on the crypto you're in. Some take a little bit more. If Bitcoin retraces like 20%, your altcoins are going to retrace almost like 30 to 40%. So that's very, very common. So, but that's where money's made, man, is to get in on those dips for the next run, on at least a bull run. Next stop 110. Yeah, a lot of people are thinking 110. What's up, Anti-Rock? Good to see you, buddy. Anti-Rock in the house. Never once wore a mask. Yeah, the whole pandemic, the whole thing was crazy. I have like 4 friends from work that are gonna join once it's up and rolling. Oh, sweet, dude, Jacob, that's awesome to hear. Yeah, that's awesome. Did you check Tesla's website? I did not. I think you're talking to someone. Sorry, Big Watch. What price do you think a good value to buy in now on XRP? Well, it's been on a crazy tear right now. I personally, I don't buy on these green candles. We're in some pretty good green candles right now. We were buying back down here at this levels for these swing trades that came up here, especially with Hbar and stuff. So yeah, I'm kind of in a hold pattern right now. Set my stop losses, right? This is going to probably come back down. You can see here on the 4-hour chart for Hbar, this will probably come back down to some level. Definitely over purchased up here. So we'll definitely probably come down and set your stop losses so you don't lose your profits. Chainlink's great. Yeah, Chainlink's great. Melodis, thanks so much again for the $5, dude. If you had 4K XRP, 10K XLM, and 10K Hbar, stack diversify on something else. It's tough. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, my focuses have been a lot of like these over here, like Sushi Swap. I told you guys, look at this, dude. Sushi Swap's up 18%. So, I've been accumulating Sushi Swap for a while now, and I've been slowly hinting that like this is sort of my play. And a lot of this is, this is up pretty good. We're up 30% on Sushi Swap. So I don't talk about it as much, but decentralization is a big thing for me. So Uniswap, Sushi Swap, Jupiter. We can go pull up Jupiter. Where's Jupiter at today? I haven't looked at my chart on Jupiter. Do I even have Jupiter on here? What the hell? I thought I had Jupiter on here. Jupiter's another one too. Where's Jupiter at today? Man, stuff is moving slow today. It's not the one I wanted. There we go. Jupiter's up 4%. A lot of these decentralized platforms is kind of where when I'm like sort of I said I think I'm going to really invest some of my time and energy into. Uniswap up 5%, looking good. A lot of these decentralized wallets, a lot of these decentralized exchanges, I think are big players for me, dude. Where do you buy Sushi Swap? You can buy it on Coinbase, dude. You can buy Sushi Swap on Coinbase. Sushi Swap, I think is going to, they're starting to do some things out there that I think are good. Again, they're pretty far down. Even this like last cycle, right? I mean, look at this. They were all the way up to almost $3. They fell down all the way down here to roughly, what is that, $1.27. And I mean, that's not even their all-time high. Their all-time high is like 20 some odd dollars. I don't know if it's going to get back to that level, but I think that these decentralized platforms are, the place to be. Radium, Jupiter, Uniswap, Sushi Swap. You can go start looking into some, tokens that are, running wallets like SafePal wallet. You could look at Trust Wallet. Those things I think are good if you like to get into more of the DAO and the decentralized platforms for those. Any swaps and or would you go lower? Again, when it's on green candles like this, I there's going to be some retracement, Brian. So, buying the green candles are not the way to do it. You wait for it to come a little bit red or, slightly come down. What do you think about XRP? ICP is good. Yeah. Blockchain, anything blockchain related, decentralization is what I'm in, right? SUI. Yeah. SUI's good. Decentralization is big. So again, what I'm trying to stay away from is anything that's more centralized. Like I said, some people think that XRP is centralized. Again, to each our own on that. But Yeah, anything that really focuses on decentral DeFi is the biggest thing, right? Or moves money around DeFi is what I want, because that's where those things aren't going to go anywhere. Those things are going to be, if you're using decentralized finance, you're going to need the decentralized side of things, like the swaps and the exchanges and the wallets and stuff like that to make that stuff happen. So yeah, Coinbase wallet's good, but they don't have a token or anything like that. So those are the kind of things I want to get into. Let's say you have 3,000 profit right now. How do you set the stop loss for? How you set the stop loss dollars 211? Do you sell your entire bag or just the amount that you profited? Well, it depends on where you're at, Chase. So like me personally, I sell my entire bag. And I don't look back. Even if I miss the next run, I don't look back because I've already have an established bag that's growing at this. So it takes off and the rally comes, I have my bag over here that I'm not even sweating it. So I usually, if I find a stop loss and it's hitting an aggressive stop loss, then I just let it hit the stop loss, and then I'll put a buy order, maybe 5% down below that to hit the bottom again, right? Because a 5% gain, even if you sell $10,000, and you sell it and it goes down another 5% and you have another $10,000 buy order in right there, and it bounces back up to that 5%, you've already made $500 just in that little quick swing trade right there. And I'm okay with $500. Some people are like, oh, that's not that much. It's like, dude, $500 in a day, in a minute, in an hour, that's pretty damn good if you ask me. Darius, thanks so much again for the $5, dude. Aside from XLM, XRP, what should I buy to take profits? Quant, SHIB. I mean, out of all of those, the only ones that I'd probably put money into is probably Sandbox. I mean, Immutable X is pretty good, but yeah, if I had to pick, it'd probably be Sand. I think that with their Roblox and stuff like that is pretty good. But SHIB probably not. SHIB's I think it's going to still be strong, but there's other money to be played with. You can make a lot more money in other plays. I watch a lot of channels, but this one is the only one where he takes time to explain stuff, and Austin seems really down to earth. Oh, Dave, appreciate that. Yeah, that's my goal, Dave. That's why again, creating the Discord, we're gonna have the whole team over there to talk about a lot of things. So we almost broke 200 members in the Discord, dude. We have roughly 2,200 A-team members, and right now we have about almost 200 people that have joined the Discord. So that's freaking awesome. Yes. You looking for Dexto? Yes, that's exactly true. That's kind of where my focus is going to be. This run right here. That's where the money's going to be made. Sushi swaps, Uniswap. Look at that. We're already a few weeks ago. I was saying that these are where my focuses are going to be. So ate up some of this with Uniswap, definitely with Sushi Swap as well. Been sitting here with the Sushi Swap. There's a lot. I mean, that Flare's another one out there that I think is going to do well. So obviously I've been buying Flare from a way back when. There's a lot out there, dude. There's so much out there you can get overwhelmed. So just find the ones that you like and stick with it. Filecoin I've been holding for a long time. This is an old school one for me. Again, really old school. We've been holding this for quite some time. So yeah, another Filecoin's another decentralized platform as well for storage and stuff like that. Old school, but Dave, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-team, dude. Welcome. And yeah, thank you very, very much. And now, yeah, you could definitely join the Discord. So appreciate it. Welcome to the A-team, man. Man, you keep breaking up. I know, dude. It's StreamYard, bro. I'm sorry, dude. It's not my TikTok's been great. It's StreamYard's service right now. Stay humble, Austin. That's why we like you, buddy, and probably why fan married you. I appreciate you, Wild Dog. I try to stay. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I really yeah, the whole ego thing is crazy. The crypto's an easy place to have a big ego. Yeah, I definitely try to avoid that. When you run the show on Discord, will I still be able to view you on YouTube? Yeah, I'm not going to run the show on Discord. I will do like little things. I will do like videos where I'll have people say, hey, on this day, like, people are asking like how to, there's a lot of people out here that are new to crypto that are like, hey, how do I use MetaMask? Or how do I buy on the decentralized side of things? So I'll have like, basically I'll spend an hour out of a day, in the evening maybe or something like that. And I'll say, hey, we're going to be getting on to talk about, how to buy on Uniswap and, stuff like that. If people want that, whatever people want. I'll come on, I'll jump on for about an hour and hang out. We can do a video. I'll share a screen. You guys can talk. People can actually voice chat in there. They can obviously text as well. So yeah, there's a lot of good things. What's funnier than 24? Get in now or FOMO later? Yeah, that's it. What's up, Linda? Yeah, a little late stream today. Did we start the stream late today? We did, Linda. We did. I had some things that I had to do this morning. Yeah, good to see you. Good to see you, Linda. Tim Shay's in the house. What's up, Tim Shay? Something weird on YouTube. Second live with 12 watching. Yeah, that's my other account. So if you don't know, back last 2 years ago, my channel got taken down, and so I created a new channel, and that channel is sort of the other one that I had, and so I just continue to do that. I am subscribed, and on your Discord, I can't use it full. Yeah, full of dodgy accounts, bro. It's full of dodgy accounts. Johnny, it's just sitting there right now, waiting for people to jump in. So it's just in the rule. You're sitting in the rules section of it. So yeah, definitely go join the Discord. The link's above if you haven't already. If you're an A-Team member, you can click on that link and join the Discord. So make sure you do that today, and then we'll be giving everyone good access. Everyone will have access to it today, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. Like I said, it's very it's new. It could be a little clunky right now in terms of how it's all working, but yeah, it'll get better over time. So yeah. Yeah, we got a lot of people in the chat already. I'm already looking, dude. There's a lot of people already over here. Damn. Yeah, this thing's already popping, dude. Dang. I can see all the names over here. So yeah, pretty cool. I've exceeded 100. I've exceeded 100 servers in Discord. I need to delete something. Oh my gosh, Viking Cat. That's crazy. But Johnny, Howie, thanks so much. For subscribing and stuff like that too. Just say fan did. Do I get my own Discord room? You guys are ridiculous. XRP to 255 today. Let's blast through it. Yeah, if we can get there. We're getting there where it's hitting this a little bit. We're coming down on the 4 hour right now for RSI. 12 hours hit. We can continue to bust through this on a 12 hour, which is good, right? So let's see how this next 4 hours goes. But yeah, we could definitely hit this 250, which is right here. You can see that. Look at that, right at the 382 level. That's going to be a hard level to get through. So, oh, you deleted Crypto Vault today? Dude, I remember Crypto Vault. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. Maybe we can do a Discord A-Team, pump it, and then rug it like all the other cool kids. Yeah, not going to happen. Yeah, that whole Crypto Vault thing was crazy, dude. Join the channel, join the Discord, and hit the like button. Appreciate you, Corey. Yeah, definitely. As we glitch again here. So I'm probably going to cut this stream short because this glitching is just insane on StreamYard, dude. StreamYard's tripping today. Connection is fairly good. If you're on Wi-Fi, try plugging into your router. No, how about you try to give me better service? I'm considering a 30K 5x trade on XRP. Gosh, dang, James. No lag here. Yeah, I don't think it's not my internet. It's not my internet. It's StreamYard's having connectivity issues. Do you think the FTX starting the payouts would be a reason why FTT token is tanking? Yes. Yes. Yeah, and those centralized exchange tokens I will not buy, right? Those are the ones I will not buy. Like the BitGet token, like there's no way I would have bought into this thing. It's a centralized token. FTT was a centralized token. I will buy decentralized tokens. But yeah, not these ones. Even though this thing rallied and a lot of people made good money off of this thing, it's just not my thing I want to do. I clicked on the buy instead of sell for Hbar by mistake. I sell and lose gas or hope to go up? You bought on Hbar. Where'd you buy? Indicators are showing that it's on the 12-hour, it's showing that we peaked out here at the 100 mark. I mean, it's hit the 95, and it's starting to slightly come back. Last time it did that, we actually fell off in the next 4. So technically, last time we saw that, it's hard to say, dude. I mean, we're definitely in the oversold area. Even the retracement says that we technically are. We're in the profit taking. We're in the profit taking of the retracement. If you want to look at fib, we're in the profit taking of it. So, I mean, technically, it's in that area, but to each your own. I mean, this can continue to build out of this. It's not saying that it can't. The 4 hours looking like it's coming down on the oversold, so we could come back down and hit back into this 31 marker. So, I mean, which would be like a 2% decrease. Yeah, it's up to you, man. That's hard to say. That's a tough one, dude. I'm sorry, dude. That's sometimes we have to eat our mistakes. Crypto Vault did like most others developed, said they were continuing to work on the project and then disappeared. I'm not complaining, but all the crypto is up today. Feels weird. Yeah, I know, right? Dirk Diggler. I bought back in, lost some money. Hey, dude. Yeah, we take some, we win some, we lose some. But XPM is worth a look. It just listed on MEXE. Oh, okay. I don't even know what that is. True Dukel. I don't know what that is. Oh, I think Sue's great. I think Sue's good. The only thing that I don't like is just the unlocked tokens. They have a lot of tokens that are unlocking to go to obviously investors, and when that happens, you're gonna have some sell-offs and you're gonna have some fear in the markets, and that's what it causes. But I think overall, like if you look at utility of what they're trying to do, I think that it's a good project. What about the new token? I don't know what that is. Flawless doors. I don't have no idea what that is. There's this nice guy, but nice guys don't last in crypto. Yeah, nice guys do not last in crypto. You gotta have some thick skin, man. What's a good amount of flare other than a half a mil? I mean, I think anything's good with flare. I think I don't have a huge bag of flare. It's not like my biggest bag, but I mean, I definitely own a pretty good amount of it, and I bought it way back when, and it's doing pretty well. So, I mean, when I first invested, I only invested like a couple $1,000, but it's up pretty good. It's up pretty good. I made most of my money on XYO. Damn. All right, Jake. That's good. Was a few hundred rug there. Intentional, just a failed business attempt. Yeah, a lot of these could be failed. You could probably look at these as failed business attempts. I know people look at them as rugs, but they probably mostly are. I think they're more failed business attempts. They think crypto's easy, and it's not as easy as they think. So I think that's kind of where it's at. When I look at it, there's a lot of projects out there that are in that same scenario. I mean, a lot of these projects that try to bring out utility just don't realize how expensive that utility is. That's the hard part. Is utility is hard to build in this space. I mean, it really, really is. Like I said, the project that I was in and working on their wallet, like it takes a lot of time and energy. It takes more time and energy than I ever thought it would. You sort of open my eyes to just how hard that tech is and how hard it can be to roll out. Again, hopefully that rollout comes sooner rather than later. That'd be cool to see and see that come back to life. I mean, a lot of times that doesn't happen, right? A lot of time the projects just fold up and they move out. At least that one's maybe still hanging on right now. So yeah, Terran was definitely a scam. No questions about that one. But a lot of people made money off that one, dude. That one people made a lot of money off of. That's still one of my bigger bags, dude. Even though that was a scam, dude, that still was definitely one of the bigger ones. But I told everyone, I was like, dude, well, I'm out. That still was like, it was still perfect timing. I have a news alert set up a flag that has Trump and crypto. I made money on buying and selling scam. I think a lot of people have. The meme coin space is crazy. How hard is it to make a coin? Can't be too hard. It's not hard to make one, dude. It's just hard to depends on the market that you're in, right? If you're in a meme coins, it's not hard to build a meme coin. But if you're trying to build a token and or a coin, which again, a coin is attached to a blockchain, like Sui and all these other things, like those, that's hard to develop. You know what I mean? I know, big watch, dude. I'm with you, dude. The Discord, you join and see the rules, but no community section or other chat. Yeah, Tim, we haven't opened. Twiz hasn't opened it up yet. It's private still, so he's going to open it up here shortly. So I'm just trying to get everyone logged in, and then we'll open it up for everyone to go at it. Yeah, most toxic. That's the biggest one for sure. I'm dude. What's up, Moose? What's going on, dude? Where do you think XRP is going to go? 250 when I make up tomorrow? 250. I mean, struggling right now. It's at this 246 marker. Like I said, we'll probably bounce around up here, but I'm hoping we hit that 250. Well, and 250 and maybe go past it. But we'll see. Just a guess. Good question. I don't know if he will. I don't know if he will or not. No, I couldn't believe I did that. Looking back in hindsight, that's the dumbest thing in the world. Like thinking about that, it's so dumb. But yes, I did do that. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, that was crazy, dude. That was crazy. Yeah, and that thing turned out to be a Austin, how do you hide a body? Quick, I need an answer. I don't know. You got to go watch Dexter. Go watch Dexter. Austin, it'll be Austin sausage toes, dude. I do not have sausage toes. If you're planning to hold XRP long term, is it worth short trading? Yeah, people do it all the time, Chase. I mean, they have a bag and they go out there and they'll play the game. Do you hear about Elon? Oh, about with Dogecoin? Yeah, definitely. Are you laughing because of the Dexter comment? All right, thank you. I'm on it. All right. Dude, you guys are wild in the comments with that. Let's see them then. Dude, I am not gonna be posting no feet pics, dude. You guys are wild, dude. It wasn't me, Mr. Officer. Austin told me. Oh my gosh. No, Dexter told you. You think it's gonna be a small pump Monday, January 6th after election certification? Yeah, that probably could help out big time. I don't buy on the green, dude. So we've been buying. We bought a couple days ago on a swing trade. So yeah, I try not to buy on green days. And right now we've been on a pretty good green day, green candle. In future, there'll be crypto banks, probably. Well, there already are. It's exchanges right now. But again, we don't want our money on exchanges. So the decentralized side of things is big. Let's see here. I work at a zoo. Does that count? How high you think XRP will go? Well, I said the XRP is going to go to $7. This bull run, I'm. If I had to put out a price prediction, I think $7 is likely. That's just me. Going off top. Like I said, that's not. I don't know if that's going to happen. That's just for fun. Going in here, looking at charts, just having fun with it. I think that's probably, if you look at the numbers and the percentages of where things are previous run to this run and where everything's lining up, that's a pretty good start. You go back from the gym and my coins are booming. Heck yeah, dude. What's the safest crypto exchange to use? I think Coinbase. But I mean, the best thing to do is just put your tokens in a hot wallet on a central, keep your Filecoin can go. I mean, I always thought Filecoin. I was always hoping that Filecoin would get back to its all-time highs. I don't know if it will or not. That's pretty high out there. I mean, we're talking, 30,000. I think it was $30 was its all-time high. During the last bull market. Yeah, I think it was like 30 or $40. Shit, maybe it was more than that. Shit, it was 70, $80. Filecoin, yeah, maybe that was higher. Filecoin got to $236 last bull run. I don't know if it's going to do that this time. That's a pretty big. If it got there, I mean, you're talking like an easy 20x, right? What is that for now? Probably more than that, dude. You're talking more than that. You're talking like a 40x. Yeah, you're talking like a 40x on Filecoin. I don't know if we can get there, dude, because this was all when this first came out. When Filecoin first came out, this sort of came out, and this is where like storage really started to get big into crypto. So that's why Filecoin did really, really well here. I mean, if it got back up to all-time highs, dude, you'd be filthy rich. Any buy stops you recommend taking stop losses at? Yeah, I mean, I think for XRP, looking back, we could probably pull back the 4-hour chart here. Um, again, you can go to the depth chart too. Depth chart tells you a good idea of like where things are going to go too. So you can go to the depth charts here, and it'll tell you like where good sell orders are going to be for stop losses. So you can see right now, I mean, people are putting sell orders in, so they're putting a stop loss. I mean, 249, and then they're putting their sell orders back in here at like 240. So 243 is another buy order. Where's it at right now? That's pretty close. Big one here at 243. It's actually bigger than I thought. You got another one here at 239. Right here. 240 is another one. 238. 235. There's these sell orders or these buy orders right here. So it's actually been, it's not very I mean, another one here at 222, which is kind of weird. You can see there's not, it's very what's the word I'm looking for? It's I think there's just not a lot of people don't have the confidence as where that buy order. You can see that there's not a lot of confidence. Like here, people are like, when it gets to 250, I'm selling. Like that's confidence in the market right there on the selling side. I don't think there's a lot of confidence as where this is going to retrace back to, which is why you have all these little levels here at each level. 235, 237, 239, 230, 222. So yeah, I think a lot of these levels are kind of where it's at. But if we go back and look, I mean, 238 is pretty good. There's a lot of volume right here. So it could come back down to 238 and play along this line right here. Which again, this is the line that we wanted to get above was this 240 marker. So it could come back down here and probably test this 240 again. So, which again would be a decent, if it came back down to the 240, be about almost a 3% decrease, so you can maybe, if you're depending on what you're trying to, if you're leverage trading or something like that, you could probably make a little dip, but it could go further, right? It could come back down into the 230 marker right here, another level of support right here, 230, which again, if it came back down to the 230 level, we'll put about a 6% retracement. I mean, that's not that bad, right? Still puts it into the buy zone. So yeah, it could be a 6% retracement. So I would probably play an aggressive one at this 230 marker and play a less of aggressive one here at the 240. Like I said, you might have to DCA your way into a position, but I mean, yeah, it seems to be about normal. And then the next one will be the 215 marker down here. So that's kind of the levels of where you should be putting it. Sold 1K of profit in XRP and bought Cardano. With that 1K, that's a feeling Cardano will do. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. They make them that money then. Is there a link to the Discord? Yeah, it's attached above. You got to be a member to get into the Discord. So yeah, we're slowly adding to the Discord right now. Eventually, it should open up. We'll be able to have some discussions here shortly. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Yeah, we have roughly 230 members already in here for today, so that's good. I just gotta give everyone a heads up. I'll be on here for about another 2 minutes before we hop off. Hey, Austin, a question about exchanges. What's a good option with an exchange with low fees? If a subscription is needed because of spot of the past month I've made, you spent over $1,500. You spent over $1,500 on fees, Chris. What do you think about altcoin daily's ICP prediction of 255? I don't know, man. Where can I click on the Discord? You just got to attach your TikTok to Discord, and you'll be able to get in. Don, attach your go into Discord, link your TikTok to it, and then you'll be able to jump into the Discord. Feeling good about Hbar. Wish I would have bought at 5 cents. Yeah, Viking Cat. It's a nice purchase. It's a nice feeling to know that's where it was. So, what has no real world use case? I don't have a buy order for XRP. my focus right now is Hbar. Hbar and XLM are my two focuses right now. So I have if this comes back down, I have a sell order. I have to look at my phone. Hold on a second. I have a sell order. See give me a second. I gotta see my sell order for XLM. Yeah, if this retraces back down to 242, 242 is my sell order. Sorry, 42 cents is my sell order for XLM. If it retraces back down there on this swing trade, we've made a lot of money off this swing trade right here. We bought over here these days. We were live when I was telling you that we're doing this. I'm up a crazy amount on XLM right now, 38% up. It's actually 36% up. But yeah, this is doing really well. So 42 is my marker there. Hbar, we're in a nice little trade here. And yeah, my sell order is gonna be right around the yeah, right around the 30-cent marker right here on this 382 level. Again, it's actually going to be a little bit below the 382. I'm going to probably bring it down to right around either the third, it's probably right at the 30-cent marker, so I don't lose it. So it's probably right around the 30-cent marker. So yeah, that's probably where I'd be. 30, dude, that's badass, bro. Yes. What do people not understand about that? I don't know what we're talking about. Coinbase fees got me. Yeah, if you you have to pay the premiums over there. Feels like a diesel train started. Heck yeah, Chameleon. Is a stop loss sell order even worth it for someone that doesn't have a ton of invested compared to me? Yeah, you know, typically it's really up to you. You know, you'll do it. You can do it with a lot of things, but if you have like $100 in there, it's probably, I mean, it's just the game you got to play. So usually people that are using like $100, that's where they get into the leverage trading and stuff like that. So I pay $300 a month with Coinbase, and it saved me way more. Yeah, me too, Buster. If the Coinbase fees, 800 in fees on Coinbase, yeah, you should be paying the premium, dude. The $299, $300. It's $299.99. Glitched here. Discord's up and running. It's in my description box. It's in my everything on there, so you guys can get over to Discord. Come over to Discord. I'm going to get this up and going here this evening. We'll all be able to jump over into Discord and chat it up and talk about, you know, whatever it is, and go from there. So yeah, I appreciate everyone hopping on here. Sorry it was a late start to the day, but we made it through it, and appreciate everyone still being here. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys go sign up for your Discord, especially if you are a member of the A team. Get in that Discord so we can start chatting it up. So with all that, hope you guys have a fantastic Friday. Please be safe out there. We'll see you guys in Discord. All right. Love you guys. Peace out. Make sure you guys throw some dudes up in the chat for me. All right, TikTok. We'll see you guys later.